Yo, back with another one. Let's talk about EDC. Top 5 carry items. Number bonus. Lighter. Don't leave home without one. This is probably in some people's top 5, but it's not in mine. It's a bonus. Plain and simple. Because my flashlight can start a fire. I know that's not a good excuse, but that's my excuse. I got 30 seconds left. I got this lighter from the Dollar Tree. It is a G, I think that's a E, yep, a G.E.I. or a G.E.T. G.E.I. G.E.I. We'll go with G.E.I., but it's a flamethrower. Okay. Rechargeable on the bottom. Oh, you got me going. Would it make your top 5 list? EDC over now.